In this session, let us learn about machine learning data distribution. Earlier in this tutorial, we have worked with very small amounts of data in your examples just to understand the different concepts. In the real world, the data sets are much bigger, but it can be difficult to gather real world data, at least at an early stage of the project. How can we get big data sets? To create big data sets for testing, we use the Python module NumPy, which comes with a number of methods to create random data sets of any size. See the example, create an array containing 250 random floats between 0 and 5. See, by executing this code, the result returns this. Histogram. To visualize the data set, we can draw a histogram with the data we collected. We will use the Python module matplotlib to draw a histogram. Learn about the matplotlib module in our matplotlib tutorial. By executing this code, the result returns this. See here the histogram. Histogram explained. We use the array from the example above to draw a histogram with 5 bars. The first bar represents how many values in the array are between 0 and 1. The second bar represents how many values are between 1 and 2, etc., which gives us the result. 52 values are between 0 and 1, 48 values are between 1 and 2, 14 values are between 2 and 3, 51 values are between 3 and 4, 50 values are between 4 and 5. The array values are random numbers and will not show the exact same result on your computer. See here the result picture, the histogram picture. Big data distributions. An array containing 250 values is not considered very big, but now you know how to create a random set of values, and by changing the parameters, you can create the data set as big as you want. Create an array with 10,000 random numbers and display them using a histogram with 100 bars. See here, by executing this code, see random numbers, see the histogram picture, result is this. Okay friends, this is the end of part 5 machine learning data distribution. In next video, let us learn about another topic, machine learning normal distribution. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.